How important is the plunge pool? Or is that just a trend?
No, it's real. It has, without a doubt, it has great physiological and mental benefits. I do it every day. You get out and immediately you get this rush of endorphins, this rush of norepinephrine and dopamine, and it lasts for hours. They say it's a 200% increase in dopamine that lasts for 4 to 6 hours.
But then you got to get an ice maker.
Well, you don't have to get an ice maker. You get one of these machines that just keeps it cold all the time.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they have these cold plunge machines. We have one at home. It's called the Morozko Forge. And it's 34 degrees. The water is just above freezing. You get in there and you just fucking suffer for 3 minutes and you feel great. It's really good for you. It's great for your endocrine system. It increases your testosterone when you do that and then work out.
Right.
There's studies that show that. But it's great for your mental health. Like a lot of people that have anxiety and suffer from depression, they've gotten off meds because they've started doing daily cold plunges.